Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Nissan's 2005 to 2021 Frontier. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting this repair. Step 2. Lift and support the truck. Remove the front wheel on the side being repaired. Remove the fender liner to access the frame near the front cab mount. Step 3. This repair section covers approximately 41½ inches of frame from just behind the lower control arm mount to approximately 6 inches behind the front cab mount, containing the front cab mount and transmission crossmember. If either component or the frame beneath it is compromised, remove the affected component. If the components and frame are acceptable, remove the required perforations from the repair section. Step 4. Grind away any slag, debris, or excess metal to create a smooth surface. Step 5. Once dry, slide the repair section over the factory frame. No cuts are required on the main frame rail. Align the repair section using the factory frame holes. Clamp it securely so there are no gaps between the repair section and the frame. Step 6. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the repair section in place. Remove the clamps, then fully weld all seams between the repair section and the frame rail. If the factory cab mount or transmission crossmember were removed instead of using the perforations, install the replacement components now and weld the perforation lines. Step 7. Finally, paint the repair section, work area, and all remaining bare metal with rust protectant. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. If the cab mount was replaced, install the bushing and lower the cab. If the transmission crossmember was replaced, reinstall the transmission. Reinstall the fender liner and front wheel, then lower the truck.